Guys, if you've never made fresh homemade tortillas, I'm sitting here telling you that you're missing out. Last week was the first time that I've made these in 5.5 decades, and they have changed my life. They are absolutely beautiful. They're pretty simple to make, and they're absolutely delicious. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to make them. All you need is some simple ingredients to make delicious flour tortillas at home. If you want to take a screenshot, these are the amounts, and it will make 7 12-inch flour tortillas. So let's go ahead and get going. Just gonna combine the flour and the butter. Whatever this attachment is, if you guys know, let me know. I just call it a fan attachment. And we're going to mix this until it's just crumbly. Only a couple minutes. So we're changing out to a dough hook. Going to add the baking powder and salt. And slowly start incorporating the water. And our goal here is just to combine the ingredients until it makes a nice, soft, sticky ball. All right, we are finished up and we have a nice, soft ball. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. And we're gonna come back in about an hour. All right, I have 4 done. And my goal is to have each one about 100 grams. And then what I want to do is just get them folded up into these little balls. I'm trying to show you guys how I roll them. It's kind of hard to get that nice angle, but I just roll them up. And then I'm going to set these off to the side because they're going to have to set again for about another 45 minutes. That one is 90. 95, 100, and the more you work the dough, the harder it starts to get. Right now it's super pliable, almost like this super soft Play-Doh. Let's see, what do we have here? 85, 120. So that one's going to be actually kind of a big one. Or we can do is just cut off some little pieces. And I'm going to stick them underneath a couple of the other ones. There we go. That's 110. That's close enough. Do it where you guys can see. All right, we're just going to pick a couple of these up, stick it underneath. We're going to get these covered up. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'm going to move them here. Each one is around 100, 105 grams per ball. So we ended up with 7. And we're going to let these set for about 30 minutes. And we'll come back and roll them out and make some tortillas. So I just realized that I told you guys 2 different times, 30 minutes and 45 minutes. It is 45 minutes once you roll them up for that second rest. But the main reason I brought you out here is I really appreciate all of you guys subscribing to the channel. I'm actually a great cook in the kitchen. I have a large amount of passion in the kitchen, but I'm not very good at making YouTube videos. So my promise to you is I'm doing everything I can to improve all the things necessary to make a decent YouTube video. And I'm making that promise that way I can share all my recipes and ideas with you guys. But you know what? Let's get back in and make us some tortillas.
After resting, the dough rolls out easily. I'm shooting for about 12-inch tortilla, but it doesn't have to be perfect. These only need about 30 to 45 seconds per side. Once you see the bubbles, it's time to flip. I stack them under a towel or keep them in a tortilla warmer to keep them warm and soft. Today I'm filling mine with refried beans, homemade ground beef, cheddar cheese, sour cream, and a little Taco Bell mild sauce. I like the flavor, so that's what I'm using. And there it is, soft homemade tortillas filled with simple ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate a like. And if you'd like to see more homemade cooking, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.